So in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to transfer photos from iPhone to Android device. I am using same wave editor for both device, and I am transferring photos. First of all, you need to open your browser and type snapdrop.com. This is it, snapdrop.net. Press on snapdrop.net, and same thing, you need to open it on your Android device also. Both are connecting now select your photos. Suppose I want to select this one, this video, this one, and press on add, and it's transferring. Save, download again, save, and you can check it from your gallery. This is it. This is how you can easily transfer photos from iPhone on your Android device. Hope video helpful. Please thumbs up, like, and do subscribe. Have a good day.